on our first day here. Look at this. I brought some cake pops. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll put it here. Along with, look at these convenient pockets of Lululemon pants. I love that, right? Yes. I'll put it on top of a cake or something. Please feel free. Yes. It's a Pride month, so look at this like rainbow colors, plural. Yeah. I don't speak English until 11 p.m. So.
Oh my god, I know, because that's what the stickers say.
Take one. Yes.
I'll take that one.
Anything. It's all the same, Jeff. You're so funny. He's always like the best looking one, right? Yes, awesome. Let's get a close up shot. All right, I'm gonna be back in there. Feel free to have your dessert. Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna be the resident chef here.
You are?
Yes, I'm Yuna.
Oh, congratulations.
All right. So this is the kitchen. I'm very excited. It is a full, oh my God, I mean, I can't even show you how big it is. It's bigger than a lot of restaurant kitchens, so I'm very excited about it. I probably won't be spending too much time back here. That's okay. I'm here to do my job, right? So, oh my gosh, look at all these things. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna start using the cutting boards here. Perfect. I just wanna make sure the oven's working. What is this on? Jeff. All right, so I'm gonna set my temperature to 350. And while that's preheated, I'm gonna go ahead and make my, prepare my limes. All my vegetables go on top. I'm making rice for Japanese curry with sweet potatoes. So, and all these colorful ingredients here, maybe a little bit garlic, carrots, which I'm gonna wash in a little bit, onion, potatoes, and some rice. Secret to making good rice, follow your measurements. Really follow that, honestly. And wash your rice. There's some people that do not wash their rice, but I always wash my rice, okay? So I'm just gonna rinse my rice here and use your whisk, especially when you're cooking so much rice. So you see this water? So not this water here, but the second water meaning after I rinse it for the second time. One thing is I also bring it to boil once and then let it cook and simmer until the rice is cooked. So only once. Do you know where the lids are for the pots?
Oh. Like specific.
Oh, lots of things. Lots of so vegetable oil. You do not want to use sesame oil, okay?
Wow.
So sesame oil has certain taste and flavor to it, and you do not want to, I guess, you don't want to affect the smell and the aromatic rice. You want to be able to make sure that it doesn't stick to the pot. So that's the purpose of the oil. You don't need a lot, just about a tablespoon. 20 minutes and see how that goes. Start now. So I'm here, I'm gonna start chopping up my carrots. It needs to be cooked, or it needs to be steamed a little longer. You can see it's almost done. So my friend said apparently to not cry when you're chopping onion is soak some towel and bite on. Bite on meaning just like hold on to it. Are you crying filming this? It doesn't work, Jess. What's going on? This is Japanese curry. And some carrots. Okay, one more and then we should be really good actually. Generous amount of vegetable oil. About enough to cover the surface of this overall. Chop my meat. So I have ground turkey here. I'm cooking this and trying to break it apart as quick as possible. So right here, I'm gonna lower our heat. And then this is time to add in our vegetables. Very carefully. And while that's being cooked, we're gonna move on to our key lime pies and bake them. I'm using Japanese curry, 1 cup per pound. Okay, so we are here, and I'm gonna move on to making key lime pie. Like you really see the color come through, right? Well, so we're not telling like how much I'm putting in. It's not a recipe. I forget that too, because you and I are used to filming me, you know, showing how to people what to make. Color, it makes it more vibrant, and tomato just works really well with like warm vegetables. Back to key lime, and we are you hot too?
I'm used to it.
Oh my God, Adam.
I'm gonna take a nice cool shower.
Capture me pour in, right? Can you imagine doing documentary? You have done that?
Yeah, I had to do it before.
So now I'm just grating. Yeah. So per cup, I need about like 5 to 6 limes. Just go ahead and chop all of it. Like I'm a bartender serving tequila. Oh, that sounds amazing right now. I've definitely done volume or frequency of it.
Yeah, just not as much quantity.
No, not at once. Oh my gosh. So just plain Greek yogurt. We made 31 mini key limes. And look at that. So excited. My face is on there. My friend Kathy made my logo design right here. And yes, it is handmade with love. My cute little hands made all of these. Time to go in the oven. Okay, I think the oven's still warm. It is still on. Ooh. Squat. So this is bulgogi wrap, and we have to cook our beef, of course. And I got 4 pounds here, grass-fed ground beef. You can really tell the difference. I think so. It smells so good. Hot damn garlic. See it like literally spark up. I'm gonna pour in bulgogi sauce, which we're not gonna show. Turn up our heat. All the moisture has evaporated. And we got slight glaze over our meat. That's what you want in your bulgogi. Oh yes. Super good. Super moist. Super tender. That's how we roll. So, I have, these are my labels. How cute are they, huh? I should have done it here, but that's okay. Look at that, first dish complete. Okay, next thing, we have our 31, 32 Baskin Robbins. Okay, beautiful. Time to wrap these babies. I have my key lime stickers, which is so pretty. And then I'm gonna put this on top, just like, or on the bottom I meant. Like that. Cute, huh? Because we're not packing. This is it. And we made our last wrap, bulgogi wrap. So if you want to heat it up, just unwrap the foil and microwave it for about 30 seconds or so. It'll be so nice. This wraps up my day at this beautiful kitchen in Lululemon. I'm excited for my day tomorrow, so keep watching how this goes. After how many hours of cooking and prepping, cooking, and packaging things up, we are here. This is the walk-in. It's crazy. So many Yuna faces, bento boxes, our delicious bulgogi wrap. Yes, we are ready for our first day tomorrow.